Hi guys, I received a message from Negatino33. It says, memory. Hey, I got 250 gig memory on my PC and every day it gets smaller. I don't use too many software on my PC, something gets bigger and bigger every single day. What shall I do? Tux. Okay, thank you for your question, Negatino33. Now, you have two options really. Now, the first option is to get a broom. And what you do is you take the top of the broom and you put the top of your head on the broom, and then all you need to do is run around in circles. Now the faster you run, the dizzier you'll get, and eventually you'll fall over, and then you'll realise that you've forgotten the problem completely because you'll be too busy concentrating on thinking straight. Now if you don't know how to do this, this is how to do it. Okay, so the second option is to download two pieces of software to check if you can find this rogue file or rogue files which are getting bigger and bigger. Now the first one would be CCleaner. I'll provide the download links in the description. You just have to open it, and you can see that it's got things like temporary internet files, cookies, and the rest of it. Just analyze it and run it, being careful that you don't end up cleaning out something you need, like if you have passwords and stuff saved on sites, if you delete the cookies then you'll get signed out. So if you forget the password, yeah, just be careful on what you're doing with this. Make sure you tick the ones you want to tick, because some people just say analyze and run and then find they can't sign into sites because they've forgotten the password and they have to go through the password thing. So the first one would be CCleaner. That's what I'd do. Check the temporary files, because you might find that your temporary internet files or something, the folder does get fairly big, so you might want to check that. The second option I'd say is getting something like a scanner called i.disk. I'll just show you how it works. Basically it displays the most used, how big your directories are and the biggest used out of those. So if I just show you, this is the main window, i.disk. If I clicked hard disk, which is my main one, you'll see it's come up with a graph, and it says all the directories, and then it will tell me what has the biggest size, and it does it in visual, and then you can just go into the actual directory and then it will show another graph showing you what's using the most. Now you may be able to use this to drill down to your directory that contains that ever increasing file, because I assume it's getting quite big now if you're panicking as you've got a 250 gigabyte hard drive. So it might be worth using this i.disk to try and track down which file is using the most, or if you just want to free up some space, then use this i.disk. Very, very useful. I'll provide the link in the description. And the last thing I'd probably suggest is getting something like anti-spyware, like Adware or something like that, or Spybot Search and Destroy. Try and run that on your PC. You might find that there's something that's multiplying itself in your system, or try getting antivirus as well. And you probably know of the many antiviruses you can get that are free. So check them out. So the first option again is to run around in circles, and the second option is to download the two things that I'll find in the description. So that's about it really. Thanks for watching my video. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you like my videos, and thanks again.